Hey guys, today we won't be doing any book reviews, and I like to introduce you to something that I found very interesting in Google when I was kind of searching around, just biding my time, and then I found something super fun. So this is you have to click on the 9 dots over here when you log into Gmail, and then after that, if you don't see Google Earth over here, there's always the more button, and you can always look at it. Now, what I like about Google Earth is look, let's wait for it to load up. It's close. Okay, now let's go back to its normal place. See, so now when you usually you get to see the Earth spinning around. And for some reason you get to see this kind of like meteors probably. I mean, you can't see that much other planets, but when you zoom in, see. Now, there's one thing I really like about this is you get to, for the ones I know, this is like a random, it will take you to random places, like, yeah. And you can also, let me do something first. Imagine you wanted to know how far Japan was to South Korea. Now I'm gonna go actual out the word Japan, and then after that you go to South Korea. See, you get to know it immediately. Now when you go to the third spot, let's say you want to go, now to go to North Korea, how far is that? And then now if you want a good triangle, now it tells you the perimeter and the area, and then you can always start new. So like if you're on a trip, and let's go to Thailand. Okay, this is where I'm the most familiar with. So imagine you wanted to go from Bangkok to Nakhon Sawan. Here, see, you can know where, and Ratchathani, and back to Bangkok. See, so like if you want to go to a place and you want to know how far it is or where should you go first, this can always help you. And other than that, you can always search, where to go. So I'm just gonna search. Let's go with Green Valley Country Club. Green Valley Country. Let's see. Yep. I don't know if it's highlighted in blue or not. You see, you get a view of places close to there. And there's a school, and then after that, I'll show you something else. You can make it in 3D too, and you can see. Like sometimes you might see your house. I don't know. Now, if you're going to the street view and you want to go there, this will give you a preview of the street. Of course, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna make it. It is not that precise, okay? It's not actually that the cars are at that moment. It's just that they just made it look like that. But still, you get the view of what are the sides. And also, you can go further, but it doesn't go further that much. Yeah, but still, this one's great. And still, that one. Yep. Let's go back to the school, take it out.
I want to see.
The school is probably far. Let's go back there. Here. Where is this place? No. Here. This is the school.
Wow.
Let's see what's in there. Actually, let's go there. Let's actually take a quick zoom. Around here. I'm gonna really try to zoom in a lot because we're gonna try this. This is not highlighted in blue, so doesn't really use to. Yeah. So now let's try something. So let's say you wanted to again, I'm gonna show you something that I really like about this. Is that okay? I'm gonna get all the blue stuff out. Is that it's kind of like Google Maps, but you kind of get help, and you can measure places and yeah, a lot of things. And if you want to know compass, and for me, I think the measure distance in area is the most cool. If you zoom out long enough, and this is the first time I'm probably gonna try this. Try measuring the Earth from, well, probably top to bottom. Looks like I zoomed out too much. Probably here. No, I can go more top than that. Yep, looks like it just wants me from there. Let's just say until here. Yep, it's about, well, less than I thought actually. Probably I didn't measure it properly. And also, and let's see if we can actually, oh, that's the most we can ever zoom out. Thought we can go to outer space and try that. This is the first time I'm gonna try that. Now let me see. Okay, let's go to Saudi Arabia, probably. Switzerland. Taking recommendations now. Switzerland. Whoa, Romania does look like a fish.
Oh, Germany.
Okay, Switzerland, first pick.
Okay.
Let's just go there. Switzerland, mountainous central part. Let's try to get in there and see where we should stop. Going a bit too much to Austria. Oh, okay, going to, oh no, now I have no idea where Switzerland is. Okay, I'm going to the right place. Hopefully I am. Okay, I'm gonna search a city in Switzerland that I think, okay, Bern. There we go. Bern. There we go. Now I'm pretty sure I'm in the right place. Go down inside. Yep, there is really a lot of houses here. Let's see. Now this is what it really looks like. This looks super peaceful. And now let's try to get in with street view. So,
Wow.
oh, whoa. This really looks like the streets. I'm trying to stay on this road as much as possible and see. Okay. Now I'm actually gonna measure how long this road actually is, which I can't right now. So it's actually really not that far actually, 24.61 meters. And let's see. So let's say I started from this, wait, zoom out a bit more. Let's see, okay. Let's say I started from the park and I wanted to go to this, it looks like a fountain, yeah. Places aren't really actually that far. The roads aren't really that, wide. So look, the line is not that much far. Now, for me, I think measuring the lines is probably the best thing for this. Okay, now I'm gonna measure all the edges and let's see what is the perimeter in the area. Now, this doesn't look like it's in the straight line, so I'm trying to make it as precise as possible if I could. I'm not gonna do exact. I'm not gonna switch the lines. So this is about 30.61 kilometers if you're going around Bern, and about actually 48.65 kilometers squared. Okay, start a new one. This time I'm gonna try the whole Europe if I could, because since I failed to do it across the whole world, I think Europe, since I think it's the smallest continent, I'm gonna go a bit oh no, too much. Yep, so it looks like it ends here. So I'm gonna draw the edges first to know. It's about from half of Turkey, and it's not gonna be any further from Ukraine. So it's gonna be about this much. Okay, I drew the distances, and let's go a bit up. Okay, so I did it greatly actually, and try to reach the United Kingdom and then go around Ireland and Spain. Yep, I'm gonna go through the lines as I possible. I was surprised I actually made that, and now since Greece is a bit too steep, bad, make it look like this. This is about Europe. I missed Ireland, I know. I'm gonna start a new one actually. I'm gonna measure Ukraine. This is gonna be my starting spot in about half of Turkey. So I'm gonna take a part of Turkey, and then now this time divided it greatly, and yep, close as I can do possible, and yeah. So I made it look like square. Oh, I missed it a bit, but still, it's close enough. Probably I missed here. So, I probably went this much of it, but not being precise. Yep, it's enough for my review on this. Took a bit too long. That's for watching. Hope you like Google Earth, and if you like this, give it a like, subscribe, and thank you. Bye.